Logarithm video part 5, solving equations. Ln x equal ln 7. How to find x where x is positive? It's simple. Ln x equal ln. It's not equal ln 7, it's equal to 7, sorry. Where x is positive, for sure x should be positive because we should know that domain of definition before anything we start with. What is ln x equal ln 7? We can say ln x equals 7 ln e simply because ln e is equal to 1. Multiplying 1 by 7 will not change the equation. This means ln x is equal ln e to the power 7. This is a property, it's a rule. Ln e power 7 equals 7 ln e. Now we can take ln, we can compare directly the x with the e power 7. Then x will be equal to e power 7 and it is positive, so it is accepted value. Let's see in part B. Part B says ln x plus 1 plus ln x minus 1 equal, this is part A. Part B, equal 3 ln 2. This is nice. What is ln x plus 1 plus ln x minus 1? It's ln x plus 1 times x minus 1. According to which rule? The rule says a ln a times b equal ln a plus ln b. So ln a plus ln b is equal to ln a times b. Ln x plus 1 plus ln x minus 1 is equal to ln x plus 1 times x minus 1. And that equal to 3 ln 2, which is ln 2 power 3, as we did here, right? What now we can compare because just ln, so what we have here is equal to this one. So x plus 1 into x minus 1, it's x squared minus 1, is equal to what? 2 power 3, it's 8. Taking minus 1 to the other side, x squared equal to 9. Let's first, we forgot to do what? Let me continue. X squared equal 9, then either x equal 3 or x equal minus 3. So which one is accepted and which one is rejected? We need to know the domain of definition first. X plus 1 is positive, means x greater than minus 1. And x minus 1 is positive, means x greater than 1. Where do they meet? X should be greater than 1, right? X should be greater than 1 because if it is greater than 1, then it is greater than minus 1. If it is greater than minus 1, doesn't mean it is greater than 1. So x greater than 1. So x equal 3 accepted value, while x equal minus 3 is a rejected value. This is very important to do the domain, right? What is ln x equal 1? This is very simple. Ln x equal 1, x should be positive. And what is 1? This is ln e, so x equal directly to e. And it is an accepted value. Ln 2x equals 0. What is ln 2x equals 0? This means ln 2x equal ln 1. And 2x should be positive because it's ln 2x. This means x should be positive value. So ln 2x equal ln 1. This means 2x equal 1. This means x equal to half and it is positive value, so it is an accepted value. We can continue like that as much as you want, right? And I have a problem here. I guess it's not ln, it's equal to something. X plus 2 equal ln x multiplied with ln x plus 2. I guess it should be equal to 0. I guess it should be equal to 0. Anyway, you can have all these equations. I'm just giving you just hints to do these equations. And if you have specific one, you can't solve it, just let me know. And if you want me to solve them all, I can do directly videos to do these problems, even if all of them. Okay, let's start number 8. Number 8, let me do one or couple of them. It's solved, but 2 equations to unknowns, the same. It's x plus y equal 30. This is nice. Ln x plus ln y equal to 3 ln 6. How can we do this one? What is ln x plus ln y equal 3 ln 6? It's ln x times y equal, what is 3 ln 6? It's ln 6 to the power 3, right? It's ln 6 to the power 3, simply. All right. What we do here is we remove the ln. So x times y equal 6 power 3 is 216. It's 216. That's correct. Great. Now what do we have? We have x plus y equal 30. This means we can use either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Let me take y in terms of x. Y is equal to 30 minus x. If I substitute it here, I get what? X into 30 minus x equal to 116. This means 30x minus x squared equal to 116. Taking all to the other side, it will give me x squared minus 30x plus 216 is equal to 0. We can find delta, right? And find the roots. The roots will be x equal to 116. It's 18 times 12. 18 plus 12 is 30. That's correct. So it's x equal 18 or x equal to 12, right? X equal 18 or x equal to 12. First, we have ln x here, right? And ln y. So we have condition that x should be positive and y should be positive. If x is 18, how much is y? Y is 30 minus x. So if x equal 18, then y equal 12. And if x equal 12, then y equal 18. And both are accepted values. You can continue also doing the solving. We have time. Let's solve another one. Let's solve another one. We still have time, so we can do. Let's do part D maybe. Let's do part D. So ln x times y equal 4 and ln x times ln y equal minus 12. Ln x times y equal 4. How can we simplify this system? It's ln x plus ln y equal to 4. And ln x times ln y equal to minus 12. So I can leave it ln x times ln y equal to minus 12. In this case, let me, instead of let ln x, right, equal a and ln y equal b, let me replace this by a plus b is equal to 4 and a times b is equal to minus 12. So we have equation as this one as part A now. We can solve it. We can solve it. We can take a in terms of b or b in terms of a, which is 4 minus a, and we can replace it over here. Find the quadratic equation and find the values of a and b, and that will be simple. We have time. If we have time, I will continue this. Let me continue that here. So if b equal 4 minus a and a times b equal minus 12, so I can replace a instead of b. 4 minus a equal minus 12. I multiply 4a minus a squared equal minus 12. Take them all to the same side. It will be minus a squared or plus a squared. Let me take them to the other side. Minus 4a equal minus 4a minus 12 is equal to 0. If we factorize this, it will be a minus 6 into a plus 2. Okay, or find it by delta. So either a equal to 6 or a equal to minus 2, right? A equal to 6 or a equal to minus 2. Let's see. If a equal to 6, how much is b? We still have to find b, right? B is equal, I substituted instead of b 4 minus a, so it's 4 minus 6. So in this case, b is equal to minus 2. And here, if a equal to minus 2, then b equal to 4 minus a, which is minus of minus 2, is equal to 6. So if a is 6, b is minus 2, a is minus 2, then b is equal to 6. So these are the values. Now, but a, I substituted instead of ln x, right? Ln x is a. So ln x is 6, and 6 is ln e. 6 is equal to 6 ln e because ln e is equal to 1. Then ln x is equal to ln e to the power 6. Comparing, this means that x equal e to the power 6. We still have to find y, right? Ln y, I replaced it instead of b, and b I got it minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2 ln e, and minus 2 ln e is equal to ln e to the power minus 2. This means that y, if we take ln out, right, y is equal to e power minus 2, or it's equal to 1 over e squared. I found x, and I found y. Either x is e power 6 and y e power y equal 1 over e power 2, or x equal 1 over e power 2 and y equal e power 6. So you can also continue this exercise and see you next video.